So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And here is a job related video. Yes, Coursera. You must have heard the online platform, which is a learning platform. You must have learned and completed some of the courses over there. So now Coursera is just hiring and the applications are live. Now what is the role? All things will be covered, but make sure you subscribe the channel, like the video. So it's a application for associate software engineer, that is entry level. It's a basic software level engineer course, means course, not post. Now, what is the eligibility criteria? First of all, let's cover. They need the qualification bachelor's of degree in computer science, engineering, or related fields. So, if you are having any other field, means apart from this, which includes the computer science in it, okay, then you can take part in this job fair. Now, what skills they need? They are saying 0 to 2 years. Means if you are a fresher, it means that if you are a fresher also, then you can take part in it, and if you are having a little bit experience, then it's well and good. So if you are new, means you want to try your luck, you can surely apply in this opportunity. Okay, now what you need to have: a strong foundation in programming concepts, data structure algorithm, DSA, web development, Python, Java, REST APIs, etc. All these things are mentioned over here. Apart from this, what will be your role? Basically, simple: building and improving web-based internal tools, operational execution, all these things they have mentioned. Now you can easily read also. I'll share the link in the description. Now, how to apply? Here you have to enter all your details like first name, last name, email, country, phone number, and you can just attach the resume. You have must build your resume also. You can directly fetch it from the Google Drive or just enter manually, and they are accepting files as PDF, doc, or text RTF. Mostly all the documents are either in PDF 99% or doc, so you can just use this format. Apart from this is the cover letter also. So cover letter means, it simply means like in the facilitator program, they must have asked, they have asked that why you are good fit for this role. So you need to just explain it. So it's a simple thing. Okay. Cover letter means why you are fit for this job. Apart from this, if you have LinkedIn profile, you can attach it and you can just select your country, I think so. So you can just select and you have to select your future required sponsorship of employment visa. So you can just type yes or no depending on it and which country you are residing. So you can just, first of all, you have to select the country. Okay, so you can just select. Here they are asking means, are you legally authorized to work for any employee in this country? So yes, you are free. You can free to propagate and just join any job. There is no restriction. Now here you have to mention your city, state where you reside. For if you are living in India, you can mention India. If you are from different country, see, this opening is for global people. Okay, anyone can take part in it. Now all things are done. And if you are from a different country, okay, if you are from different country, then also there is no issue. Now here, if you are already working in any other company, some people try to work with multiple companies, and if you're fresher, then no need to worry about it. But if you are not working in any company, okay, if you're not working in any company, then what you need to do, you need to just mention the NA over here, I think so. Let me just check. In current company, just mention NA, current title also NA, and just mention whatever experience you have with the languages. So you can just select yes or no, I think so. Okay, like if you have 0 to 2 years experience, you can just select the years of experience. And what is your current annual compensation? So you can write anything, don't write $2 million, etc. So after that, you have to submit the application. If you face any issue, in simple words, you have to fill your name, you have to just share a LinkedIn profile, you have to just share whether you are working or not. So here you can mention not currently not working, or you can just type NA or title as a student or fresher and just submit it. If you face issue, you can let me in the comment section. Apart from this, if you are interested in internships, here is the video, you can watch it and just check the channel for more information. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.